Hey there. So the other day I photographed this cool building in the West Loop for Compass Real Estate, and while I was shooting, I caught myself in a couple of the pictures. But yeah, this place was pretty amazing. Um, yeah, just beautiful finishes everywhere. But I caught myself, there I am, in a few of the photos. I control my camera with my laptop. If I hit that space bar, I can take a picture. I have the camera set on a tripod, and I have lights in the room, and I also walk around with this light to help illuminate things, and then I cut and paste and merge everything together later on in Photoshop. But I really liked this photo. I thought it would make for a good, social media picture of myself. Time to update that. But I wanted to show you guys this. This is pretty funny. So here's the picture. Yeah, not too shabby. Pretty good shot. But check this out. What I wanted to do is smooth out my shirt. So I'm in Photoshop right now. And they have some cool tools. I thought my shirt was a little bit wrinkly, so I'm making just a real rough selection around my shirt. And I'm going to tell AI, hey AI, look at my shirt, smooth out the wrinkles. And let's see what it does. I just did it, and I thought it was pretty hilarious, so I figured I would do a recording to share the joy with you. So I'm going to say, AI, please smooth out wrinkles in shirt. Now, when I do this, sometimes I'll, remove outlets. I can do a lot of simple basic things, but sometimes I can do complex things. But let's take a look and see how it does with this shirt. So I'm going to hit generate. Wait a few seconds. Not only did it smooth out the wrinkles, but it gave me a new shirt. What? Let's see the next one. It gives me 3 options at a time. Okay. I don't know what's happening right there. Is that a peanut? That's not my belt. I don't know what that is. So, all right, there's one. Let's see this one. Yep. Let's do it again. It just gives me 3 at a time. So then we click the generate button. I think it skinnied up my body too. Whoa. How many buttons does that shirt have? And I don't know, got weird things in my pockets. Yeah, all right, so smoother. Let's try one more time. I'm hoping it shows what the first try it did. Oh, yeah, what is that suit? How cool is that? Look at that. That's fancy. All right. A little less fancy, but a nice shirt. What in the world? Here, I'm going to ask it, instead of smoothing out shirts, because that's pretty hilarious, let's say, please make me look like a chef. Let's see what it does. Hey, look at that. Let's try it again. Where is that a cook at? Oh my goodness. Let's do it one more time. Let's go. I don't know. Do you think Jeff Hedden would be proud of this one? All right. That's it. I just thought it'd be kind of funny. So we got some laughs, but it did it instantly. Some of them are pretty ridiculous, but some of them are not terrible. What's going on with my arm there? I think I'm dislocated at the elbow. All right. that is that. You guys be good. I will talk to you later.